So how could you sign in with another Apple ID on the iPhone? Let me talk about it and all of the possibilities we have. So if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So at the time, you can only use one Apple account generally inside of the settings. So if you go to these settings at the top, you can see the one you are currently signed into and you can tap it. And at the bottom, we have the sign out button, which will get you to a page like this, where inside of the settings, you'll have like a blank Apple account, and there you'll be able to sign in with another one. So that's like a quick way to switch between the accounts and just go back and forth. However, if you quickly just want to have two of them running at the same time, like let's say you have one main account which you use to download apps, but you also have one for email, for example. In that case, it would make the most sense to use the web version of iCloud. So if you go to the Safari and go to New tab, you have the ability to go to iCloud.com like this, click on sign in, and basically just sign in normally with your credentials like the email and so on, right? You can see that I can also use my Face ID to scan my face and get inside. Of course, it's the same account which I also have inside of my settings, so I don't technically need to do it. But the point is that you can also sign in with another one and get access to some things like the mail, as I said, photos which you have in that account, or files, notes, reminders, and so on. So for something quick like this, it would make sense to go through Safari or other web browser and use the iCloud web to access some of the things that you might need. But that would be all from me. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later.